Hey everybody, just about to kick off week 27. We're getting ready to publish, and I wanted to tell you guys a couple things that I was thinking about as I reviewed where we are, how this week's set up. Number one, I thought it'd be fun if we did a little bit more videos on YouTube, a little bit less on Edpuzzle. So you'll find a couple of YouTube videos in here, and then you're going to find the PowerPoint here that you got to view. But one of the things that I thought is going to be pretty fun this time is this Edpuzzle right here is it's an e-lecture on Mod 5 NCCER textbook, but it's not me. It's another teacher that I found that's doing the same thing, and it's kind of interesting. He's kind of a nut. I think he's kind of funny. This is him right here. So I thought that would be fun to see how that goes. And the other thing that I thought would be interesting, I think, is over here on, let's see, I think it may be on Tuesday. Nope, Wednesday. Yeah, this one right here. This is another welding teacher that I found doing video and e-lecture, but it's not on NCCR so much. It's just really good content on metal prep and fitment. And he's in his welding shop right here.
No more problems. So right now, if we really try to focus on making sure our prep is good, it's going to pay off in the long.
Spend some time and maybe get you guys used to listening to somebody else. Sometimes it's good to hear the same thing coming from a different person. And then finally on Friday, we have a video about our first certified welder. This is also going to be on MavVision, this plus some other interviews. And then we've got this really cool video here about this young gal that got a job at Turner Industries.
Hi,
and
I'm 24
I thought you guys would get a kick out of watching her. She's also up on my website as well, on my YouTube channel. And finally, there's Redbeard here from doing some grinder safety. At the very end, there's some pretty graphic stuff. If looking at graphic stuff is not your thing, you don't have to watch it. But I put it up there intentionally because I think it's important that you need to know and see how bad a grinder can get you if you don't use proper safety. So hope you guys enjoy the week, and I'm looking forward to a good spring break.